This is the minigun I made for my eldest son. He wanted a minigun. Let me show you some of its features. Okay, we have a big circular magazine here based on two dustbins, the dustbins that came from the samurai armour. We have sturdy handle, trigger mechanism, the barrels made of 8 pieces of plastic piping. Here we can see a detail of the ammo chamber and handle, trying to give it some idea, some impression of heatsink fins. Each of these fins created. More plumbing parts here to give the impression of the mechanics of it. This constructed from a big tin can. The main body of the minigun is a big cardboard tube. We have plumbing parts here for the handle. Let me just tilt it over a bit and show you. There we go. Plumbing parts. And the handle itself, the trigger handle, all of this is powered by a drill. You can hopefully have a look at here. Keep that the Here's the drill. The drill goes down, feeds down into a barrel that goes around and makes the barrels go round. This drill zip tied in and held securely. Now if we'd mounted this drill completely upside down, the handle here would be pointed back this way, which would make it very uncomfortable. So this handle has been carved out of wood, and then we've taken the trigger out of the drill and so we've taken the trigger out of the drill, remounted it inside this wooden handle, and that gives us the right angle on the handle and makes it much more comfortable to hold. So let's have a look and see if we can make the barrels turn around. So here it is, and the barrels. Bit of a wobble on it, but it makes a nice noise. I believe this style was inspired by a Blade and Soul minigun we found on the internet. The front pattern and the style of the magazine. All in all, it's very nice. There's a decoration on the side. Can't remember what that says. It's very sturdy, fairly lightweight. Scary thing. So there it is, the minigun.